Sachin, the man behind the song, who, matlab, half the man behind the song, his other half is not here. But how and why did you all come up with something like that?
I'm really missing Jigar because he had prepared all the speech for the day. I'm missing my Jigar.
Jigar khol ke bol de.
Actually, it's surreal because I remember our first ever video that we got to feature in. Ahmed sir shot. So, and of course, the sort of belief that Dino sir, has in us. I think that's the most important feature of however we've been able to perform. And the man I'm standing next to, my hands are shivering. I'm a big fan of his work and Johnny Gadar. And I mean, I just can't keep going on like that. I'm just plain lucky to be sharing stage with this gentleman. But, maybe I'm... And I saw the film, we're doing the BGM right now. I can only say I'm super proud of you, Varun Dhawan. Amazing, amazing performance. And I just hope Jigar comes soon now. Thank you.
And I only get one word, call, and I call him. He makes me feel so good about Badlapur that even a little bit more than I should. So I'd like to just call the guardian of Badlapur, Mr. David Dhawan, on stage. So say a few words.
It's a great moment for me. See, I'm come here as a father. So मेरे लिए इससे बड़ी moment नहीं है. And this is the film which I was scared of when he was doing it. A lot of people might be, because coming from a commercial family and all. But he skilled it, and all credit gives to one guy who's a junior of mine from the FTI. That's Raghavan. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great, I tell you. And the song is outstanding. I've done so many songs. He's worked with me also. But this song, it has soul in it, Why you enjoy it more is he's picturized it, the way he has composed it, he's acted, the way he's directed, all it's there and it works. I think big time it works. It's the story of the film. So I think all the best to him, who's really been on this film. बहुत दिनों से लगा हुआ है ये हर चीज़ को, मतलब chromo से लेके, and he's really made it. The picture's become, very hot. I feel a lot of people now meeting me, they talk about his promo, about this film. They even talk about one particular dialogue in the end where he says,
I've luckily not met any cops after that. Yeah. At night. I've stopped driving at night only because of that.
All the best. The editors here also, she's done a damn good job because I am myself an editor. So I respect all this technical team. Even the cameraman, the big camera, great guy.
One thing I have to say, जब हम लोग ने शुरू किया ये पिक्चर बनाना और प्रोमो भी काटी, हम लोग ने ऐसा रिस्पांस नहीं सोचा था. प्रेस से इतनी मदद नहीं सोची थी. Like the amount of people that have turned up, I can understand for a film like मैं तेरा हीरो, Humpty, which are more audience friendly, या मतलब इतना wide audience मिलता है उसको. So many people come out and support करते हैं ऐसे पिक्चरों को. But ऐसी पिक्चर जो टेढ़ी है, and I'm even seeing kids are knowing about the film now. People are getting more and more aware to the film. So I actually want to thank all of y'all because awareness सिर्फ आपसे जाती है. And it's a two-way street. हम लोग आके हम लोग का काम देते हैं. But a big thank you to all of y'all who have been so pro this film. All the cameramen, all the photographers, all the journalists. आप लोग ने एक भी चीज़ negative नहीं की है पिक्चर की. So thank you a lot. It really means a lot to me. Thank you guys. So we'll start the question answer session now. हाँ फोटो तो भाई ले लोगे तुम लोग, आज रात को भी लोगे टेवर के प्रीमियर पे.
Hi Varun, Urvi here.
Hi.
In the center. Varun.
हाँ जी sorry.
Yeah. Hi. Varun, how difficult was it for you to get into the skin of the character for this video?
You know what's scary for me, that when I started this film, it was the most difficult thing to become Raghu for me. I thought, it's something I can't do. It's an unachievable task. Now, when someone tells me to become Raghu or do scenes like Raghu, it happens a little fast, which is very scary for me because this is one character I want to run away from. It's not something I want to embrace because it's not a morally or a very happy character to stay with. These are memories I want to let go of. It's a character that's taken a lot away from me, so it's starting to come very easy to me now, which is a bit, yeah, it's a bit scary actually now.
Varun, here. Hi, this is
Hi.
Khushbu. Varun, गाना
Ku.
बहुत Khushbu.
Khushbu, hi
Okay.
Khushbu.
The song is very amazing, very outstanding. I love the song. Love the track. You know, Varun, मुझे ये जानना है जब ये जो गाना आपने किया, मतलब कैसे प्रिपेयर हुए आप इस गाने के लिए?
आई थिंक बदलापुर में हर चीज़ हम लोग ने बहुत डिस्कस करके होमवर्क करके की है. अहमद सर से, जैसे अहमद सर ने कहा, मैंने उनसे फ़ोन पे बहुत बात की. हम लोग ने सचिन जिगर के स्टूडियो में हम लोग मिले. डीनो के बहुत आइडियाज़ थे, श्रीराम के बहुत आइडियाज़ थे, अनिल मेहता हैड अ माइंड टू शूट इट. आई थिंक इट्स द कमिंग टुगेदर ऑफ सो मेनी ग्रेट पीपल. दैट्स श्रीराम, अनिल मेहता, डीनू, अनाइटा जिन्होंने कपड़े किए हैं, अहमद सर who has so much work behind him, and he actually told me not what to do in this video. इन्होंने नहीं कहा कि वरुण ये कर ये कर ये कर. उन्होंने बोला ये रास्ते पे मत जाना, ये रास्ते पे नहीं जाना. And one part I would like to single out एक Jami, who I think we are all so grateful to, कि वो कश्मीर से she flew, reached Bombay at 10 o'clock at night. पूरी रात उन्होंने शूटिंग की और सुबह में 6 या 7 बजे की फ्लाइट पकड़ के वापस कश्मीर चली गई. And she looked so beautiful in the song. And the way he actually directed that portion of Yami and me, he told me that कि a person that you love, वो आपके सामने है और वो आपको प्यार कर रही है, पर आपको पता है कि वो इंसान actually जीवित नहीं है. That it's actually a ghost, or that person's not there. But you're seeing that person and you know it's fake, but yet you want that love and you're longing for it. तो I think ये सब मेरे दिमाग में था और जिस तरीके से इन्होंने मुझसे कराया, बस वैसे ही हो गया.
ओके वरुण, जब ये गाना मतलब आपके दोस्तों ने या फिर जो इंडस्ट्री के लोगों ने देखा, क्या रिएक्शन मिला आपके फ्रेंड्स का, आलिया, सिद्धार्थ, आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
मैंने एक्चुअली ये वीडियो करण जौहर, मैं वेगिस में था, तो मैंने खाली करण सर को दिखाया था. जब मैं वापस आया था, आई मेट हिम, द फर्स्ट पर्सन आई मेट हिम, और उनको दिखाया था. एंड इट्स अ वेरी पर्सनल थिंग बिकॉज इट्स नॉट हिज टाइप ऑफ फिल्म, बट I want to make him, like I want to make my dad proud. Karan is some person I want to make proud as well. And I'm waiting for 20th of Feb so that he can say things in the open that he's telling me in person.
ओके वरुण, अपार्ट फ्रॉम सॉन्ग, जब ये मूवी आपके पास आई, ये कैरेक्टर, आप इससे पहले मतलब आपकी जो इमेज है अलग थी, और अब ये दो राय नहीं कि रघु को भी लोग उतना ही पसंद कर रहे हैं, बट आपको थोड़ी इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं हुई, डर नहीं लगा कि ऐसा कैरेक्टर मतलब मैं लेकर जाऊंगा, लोग आपके ऑडियंस, आपके फैंस इसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे?
100% डर हुआ था. एंड समथिंग डीनू हैड सेड दैट यू माइट स्केयर द चिल्ड्रन अवे एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. बट आई थिंक वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इंटेलिजेंट पीपल इन आवर कंट्री, और सब लोग जानते हैं कि ये सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर है. मैं एक्चुअली हथौड़ा लेके किधर नहीं जाता, एंड आई एम क्वाइट फ्रेंडली अदरवाइज. So I think, and I'm doing a lot of stuff for the kids. Yeah, after this ABCD 2 आने वाली है, which is totally a kids film, and there's another film that's going to be announced soon. So I think बच्चों के लिए बहुत है आगे, but I think something for the adults, something for people who thought I was a bit cheesy in my first 3 films. So now they'll get this dose as well.
Hi Varun, this is Prerna.
Hi Prerna.
Yeah, so in this movie you're romancing 3 pretty ladies, Yami, Huma and Divya. So आप सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable
Actually
किसके
4.
साथ? Oh, 4.
एक और है, राधिका आप्टे.
Okay, so
मैं किसी को नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable आप किसके साथ थे?
सबके साथ.
But still एक वो rapport bonding जिसके साथ build up हो गया होगा.
I genuinely think all 4. In fact, आप डीनो को पूछ सकते हैं क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि इन्होंने जब कास्टिंग शुरू की थी, I think Shriram would get, I think when we did the love making scene, Shriram himself was a little taken aback by how comfortable me and Yami were, because we were really in the emotion as man and wife, man and woman. And whereas I think the thing that's taken everyone aback is a little bit the Divya Datta kiss. But I don't see why, because Divya is a very, very beautiful woman and she's an amazing actress. And plus, I'm not playing 27 at that time. I'm playing a much older age. तो उस वक्त जैसे मैंने कहा कि बदलापुर के ड्यूरिंग आई वाज इन अ ट्रांस, आई एक्चुअली फेल्ट कि मैं एक
A
older
very
man-
dedicated actor.
Older
He
man.
makes actors very comfortable, especially the female ones.
Okay,
My father's left, so
That's why I checked.
this song has a lot of pain. So has something like this ever happened in your life where you actually sing ki